from class 9. Class 9 क्वेश्चन आ रहा है आयुषी से. So please.
Firstly, very good morning to all of you. So, my question is to Ayushi Ji. Ayushi Ji, you are asking that all of the students take part in politics.
Yes.
But why? Why all the students? If all the students take part in politics, so who will become the doctor of our country? Who will become the ideal doctor of our country? If all the students take part in politics.
Actually, you don't understand my lines. I said students take part in politics, but not to become politician. They need to understand what are the laws, constitution, etc.
You are asking about that. All the students take part in politics. Not as a politician. You are not asking about that. Or as a politician, they have to learn about politics. You have to ask that. They have to learn about politics. They have to learn about the constitution. You have to ask that, not that. That all the students take part in politics.
All the students take part in politics for their general knowledge, their rights, their fundamental duties. If you have no fundamental duties, no fundamental rights, then you will not become a good citizen. For them, you have to know about your rights, your duties, and your obligations towards your country. Then you need to know about politics. Then you should join politics, but not to become a politician or leader, etc. You can become doctor, engineer, etc. Thank you.
The point is that all the students, all the people of the country have know about the constitution, have know about the country. But my question is that now. Second question is that if in our country students join politics and after 25 years they take part in politics and they become the politicians. So at the age of 18 they got to vote. They choose the representatives, the voters. There are questions. Please listen carefully. What I want to ask. The citizen give vote after the age of 18, right? So according to me, they have also get education firstly because they have no idea. They don't have any idea to choose the representative who is the best and who is the worst. So what do you thoughts about that? Voters have been educated or not?
Yes, voters have to be educated. They have to know about politics. Then they choose the best representative.
But the representative is uneducated, what will we do? What we should have to do? If the representative is uneducated. If the representative is uneducated, totally uneducated.
No, there is no chance that representative is uneducated.
So, I think that there is no chance.
Because today is 21st century. All the generation are educated, well educated.
So, we have a right to get vote at the age of 18. So, why don't we have a right to take part in politics at the age of 18? Why? Why is this? If you are a debater, you will ask me the answer. Why?
You can ask. I don't know.
अभी जैसे कि अभी यहाँ पे पॉलिटिशियंस है, अभी आप 18 की एज में वोट दे सकते हो, राइट? तो आप 18 की एज में वोट दे सकते हो, आप पॉलिटिक्स में ज्वाइन क्यों नहीं कर सकते? अगर यहाँ पे आयुष ने बोला कि ऑल द वोटर्स हैव टू बी एजुकेटेड, उनके पास एजुकेशन होना चाहिए, तो वो रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स क्यों नहीं बन सकते? अपनी स्टेट को, अपनी कंट्री को रिप्रेजेंट क्यों नहीं कर सकते वो आगे जाके? अब यहाँ पे बात आप बोलोगे मेजॉरिटी की, तो मेजॉरिटी एज अ पॉइंट है, मेजॉरिटी यहाँ पे मैटर करती है मेजॉरिटी, तो मेजॉरिटी आपके पास मेजॉरिटी, उनके पास मेजॉरिटी नहीं है, तो एक रिप्रेजेंटेटिव को चुन नहीं सकते, वो एक सही रिप्रेजेंटेटिव को चुन नहीं सकते, तो हमें ये नहीं चाहिए कि हमें 25 ईयर्स के बाद ही हम वोट दे सकते, तो अगर मेजॉरिटी का सवाल है।
बाहर आए, इसलिए आपको वोट देने का हक दिया जाता है। डू यू एग्री? पहला तो ये रीज़न है क्योंकि टीनेज से हम पहली बार आए होते हैं, मतलब आउट ऑफ टीनेज हम होते हैं 18 से, और 18 से ही हमें मतलब पॉलिटिक्स का, वोटिंग भी एक हिस्सा है पॉलिटिक्स का, तो मतलब हमें हिस्सा मिल जाता है, पॉलिटिक्स में लेने का हिस्सा मौका मिल जाता है। बिकॉज हम वोटिंग कर रहे हैं तो मतलब हम कुछ ना कुछ सीख रहे हैं, और हमें कुछ टाइम भी लगता है सीखने में वगैरह, इसलिए 25 की एज से ही जो है हमारे लीडर्स को इलेक्ट किया जाता है।
सीमा दी, आपने एक्सपीरियंस की बात की है, तो उनके पास एक्सपीरियंस होना चाहिए। तो जो टीनेज से स्टूडेंट्स आए हैं अभी जो 18 की एज में है, तो उनके पास भी एक्सपीरियंस होना चाहिए, उनको भी पता होना चाहिए वो किस रिप्रेजेंटेटिव को चूज करें, अपनी कंट्री के लिए किस रिप्रेजेंटेटिव को चूज करें, उनकी कंट्री के लिए कितना फायदेमंद है और कितना बेफायदा है, कितना बेफेज है उनके लिए। तो यहाँ पे कुछ स्टूडेंट्स ऐसे होते हैं जो टीनेज से निकले, उनको नहीं पता है कि कौन सही है कौन गलत है, तो उनके पास भी एक्सपीरियंस होना चाहिए। मैं मानती हूँ इस बात को, लेकिन कुछ ऐसे लोग भी जिन्होंने वहां पे एक्सपीरियंस नहीं किया, ठीक है। अब आप देखते हैं कि आप इस कंट्री में, इंडिया में, मैंने बोला मैक्सिमम जगह, मिनिमम जगहों पे ऐसा होता है जहाँ पे करप्शन बहुत ज्यादा है। क्या है करप्शन? लाइक आप 18 से पहले ही वहां पे शादी हो जाती है, क्योंकि बहुत ज्यादा रूल के खिलाफ हो रही है चीजें। तो कहीं कहीं पे ऐसा भी तो होता है, कहीं पे गलत डेट ऑफ बर्थ की वजह से आप 25 की एज से पहले आप ज्वाइन कर रहे हो पॉलिटिक्स, उनके बारे में आपको क्या ख्याल है?
पहले तो जो एक रिप्रेजेंटेटिव होता है, एक लीडर होता है, जरूरी नहीं कि उसकी एज क्या है। ये भी कभी कभी ये जरूरी नहीं होता कि उसकी एज क्या है, मीन्स डेट ऑफ बर्थ की वजह से हो सकता है ऊपर नीचे। मे भी ये भी पॉसिबल है कि उसमें वो क्वालिटीज हो जो एक ग्रेट लीडर की क्वालिटीज होती, मे भी उसे सिचुएशन हैंडल करनी आती हो, क्योंकि एक लीडर की क्वालिटी ही ये है कि वो एक सिचुएशन को बड़ी पेशेंस से जो है वो हैंडल करे।
आपने बोला उसके पास कैपेबिलिटी होनी चाहिए हैंडल करने को सिचुएशन की, तो क्या पता जो 18 की एज से निकला है वो भी अपनी, चलो स्टेट को नहीं, कंट्री को नहीं, लेकिन अपनी पंचायत, अपनी जो छोटे छोटे रिप्रेजेंटेटिव होते हैं उनको तो हैंडल कर सकते हैं, उनको तो राइट होना चाहिए ना 18 के बाद ज्वाइन करेंगे पॉलिटिक्स को। अब आप बोलो।
अगर उनमें कैपेबिलिटी है कि वो 18 के बाद किसी भी मतलब पंचायत या किसी को भी हैंडल कर सकते हैं वो, तो लाइक इनने कहा कि पॉलिटिक्स में हमें रूल्स को, लॉज को मानना चाहिए, तो रूल्स और लॉज हम नहीं बनाते हैं, वो हमारी जो है कोर्ट, जुडिशरी, एग्जीक्यूटिव, वो हमारे बनाते हैं लॉज, तो वी शुड फॉलो आवर लॉज। हमें अपने लॉज को फॉलो करना है, ना कि हमें ये कहना है कि हमें
Bas, thank you. The session is completed. Thank you. Now, both 11th and 12th class and 9th standard application itself was very important here. Everyone come with the knowledge. I'm being said to you people that please, you are requested to come through facts. Without facts, you are not allowed to be there. You will be there, but question is being asked here. कोई आपको छोड़ेगा नहीं। इसलिए जो भी एक्सपर्ट है वो एज एक्सपर्ट बनकर यहाँ पर आइए, दिखाइए आपने जो भी चीजें, दोनों ने बहुत अच्छा, तीनों लोगों ने बहुत अच्छे बहस किए, ये हम चाहते हैं। बच्चों के अंदर अपने नॉलेज होना वो बहुत जरूरी है। अब 11th से रुमिका और 12th से अदनान। Adnan, without talking, you have been very hurry up here. So, Rumika will start the session with a debate, and the topic is should citizens take part in politics or not. So now the session begins.
First of all, good morning everyone present here. I am going to express my views in the favor of students should join politics. Firstly, whenever we hear the word politics, a negative vibes come in our mind. Why? Because the situation is here in our society that leaders who all participate in politics, make fake promises but not make them true. That's why we think that politics is just a illusion, nothing more than that. And the second question, that the youth are more knowledgeable than people who are uneducated. In our locality, many leaders are uneducated and they are joining politics. Reason only one, that is they want money. They have thanatophobia of money, that they can't lose money. This is the question. And that's why our India is a developing country, not a developed country. Let us take an example of China. One party system is there. And China is a developed country which is famous for their works. Because in China, education is not more important. They believe in skills and arts of the students. And youth, when joining politics, they get a chance to learn politics, to know about their laws, freedoms, because when we know our rules, our fundamental rights, then we are called to be an educated student. Any question?
So, Romika, you asked a few questions in your debate. So, firstly, you said that political leader must be educated one.
Yes.
So that's why we conduct a program here so that takes part in a politics. In front of these students must take part in a politics. A leadership personality must take part in a politics. So we develop the nations as well.
Yes. Just because we see that many students at the age of 20 or 21 are cracking UPSC exam, becoming IAS and IPS. They are not about 25 or 25 because and they are still handling our country very well. Many students, most of the students' dream is to clear UPSC because they want to make India a developed country. They are seeing that what is happening in our India. There are too many injustices. Leaders are not liberals. They believe in religions. They participate in politics just because they are interested that we join in rallies. This is very fun, but no. Students know the value that what is education, what is politics. We see that many of young girls, young boys are clearing UPSC because they want to make our country a developed country. They want to make our India the first developed country because we see that India has many lack qualities which is very bad for our development. Let's take an example of our town Thadri. If politics is strong, doesn't municipality make hygiene our Thadri? We see that many unhygienic conditions are here. And we all students know that if we are a medical student, we still know the importance of hygiene. If you join in politics, we can make them understand that please hygiene is important for us. We can call municipality that you should do this, you shouldn't do this because it is good for our health.